Stop scrolling, because the money you didn't make with AI yesterday is already in someone else's pocket today. OpenAI's latest report says generative tools added $4.4 trillion of new economic value in 2023 alone. If you're still on the sidelines, that number should punch you in the gut, because your window to ride the first big wave is closing fast. All the information I'll be sharing is completely free, so I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button as a thank you. Now, some of you might be tempted to click away too soon, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch this video all the way to the end, you'll miss the key points that can make all the difference. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. I'm breaking down 5 battle-tested strategies million-dollar freelancers, small business owners, and stealthy side hustlers are using right now to stack cash with AI. No PhD, no VC funding required. For each play, you'll get the income range, the core tool stack, and one insider tip the gurus never mention. By the end, you'll have a menu. Pick one, execute, and watch your bank app light up. Play number 1, prompt to profit freelancing. What it is, companies are drowning in text, emails, FAQs, blog drafts, but they don't know how to talk to ChatGPT. You do, you become the prompt whisperer, selling quick turn content, ad copy, and email sequences. Income range $50 to $150 per hour on Upwork, according to April 2024 marketplace data. Tool stack ChatGPT 4o, Claude, a free Grammarly account, and Trello for client workflows. Insider tip: offer a 24-hour launch package, 5 LinkedIn posts, 2 sales emails, and a 30-word elevator pitch for $299. Speed matters more than perfection. Clients pay for the time they save, not the words you type. Play number 2, Micro-SaaS with no code. What it is, you build a tiny web app that solves one headache, like auto-summarizing Zoom calls or generating Etsy SEO tags. Charge a $9 subscription. 10 strangers equals coffee money. 1,000 equals quit your job money. Income range $1,000 to $30,000 a month, verified by Indie Hackers public revenue dashboards. Tool stack: Bubble or Softer, OpenAI API, Stripe, and Card for a 1-page site. Insider tip: skip building from scratch, clone an open source template on GitHub, plug in an API key, and spend your energy on marketing. Remember, distribution beats invention. Play number 3, AI-powered content arbitrage. What it is, turn long-form podcasts into 10 TikToks, 10 quote graphics, 5 newsletter summaries, then sell the full bundle to creators who hate editing. Income range: flat $400 per episode or a revenue share on their channel growth. Tool stack: Descript for auto captions, Opus Clip for viral hooks, and Midjourney for thumbnails. Insider tip: charge a setup fee plus a per minute rate for raw footage. Clients love predictable invoices. You love predictable cash flow. Play number 4, algorithmic investing for mere mortals. What it is? No, you're not starting a hedge fund. You're renting one in the cloud. Platforms like Composer and TrendSpider let you drag and drop AI trading strategies that backtest in seconds. Income range: historical backtests show 12 to 20% annual returns after fees. Compare that to your savings account's sad 1%. tool stack, Composer.ai, a free Fred macro data feed, and Google Sheets to track correlations. Insider tip: set a circuit breaker rule in your strategy. If daily drawdown hits 3%, the bot exits. This one line of code protects you from emotional doom scrolling at 2 a.m. Play number 5, prompt marketplaces and royalty streams. So, what is it? Well, yes, people literally buy prompts. On Prompt Base, a top seller pulls in over $9,000 per month licensing chat templates for HR policies, D&D campaigns, and YouTube script outlines. Income range: $100 a week to mid 4 figures a month. Passive once the prompt is live. Tool stack: ChatGPT for research and development, Prompt Base for sales, and Canva to design a slick preview image. Insider tip: niche prompts outsell generic ones. Financial planner style budget spreadsheet generator beats make me a spreadsheet every time. Pick one play. Don't chase all 5. Block 2 hours tonight to build your tool stack. Land one paying customer in the next 7 days. Proof of concept unlocks momentum. If today's video sparked even one idea, smash that like button so YouTube knows we're cooking up value. Drop a comment: which play are you launching first and why? And if you want deeper dives, scripts, pricing templates, the works, hit subscribe and ring the bell. I drop a Fresh Money with AI strategy every single week. Remember, the AI gold rush isn't coming. It's already here. The only question left is, will you mine it or watch it? Let's make that money. See you in the next one.